Hot. This special Oreo BTS limited edition is inspired by a popular Korean dessert called Hotteok, which is a sweet pancake filled with brown sugar syrup. Hello and welcome friends to your tasty and yummy bites channel. Today I have one of the most exciting Oreo editions, which is Oreo BTS limited editions. Yes, you heard right, the brand new BTS Oreo purple cookie. Firstly, if you see, it already looks very different from the regular Oreo, but here is the big question. Is it just a purple colored Oreo or does it actually taste different? So stay with me until the end because I'm going to unbox it, take a close look of it, taste it and finally tell you whether it's worth buying or not. So let's get started. Quickly, we'll go through details of this pack. As you see, green sign means it is a veg cookie and per serve of this cookie you will get energy as 104 kilocalories. And you can see over here it is written Korean sweet pancake flavored. Green is there in these cookies. Expiry date is approx 1 year from the date of manufacturing and it costs us as 45 rupees. Net weight of this pack is 103.5 grams. These Oreo cookies are marketed by Mondelez India Foods Private Limited but manufactured by Parsons Nutritionals Private Limited. Ingredients are like our regular Oreo only. And you can see over here nutritional information is given. Per 100 grams it will give energy as 498 kilocalories and it is based on Korean sweet pancake flavor cream. As this pack says that collect all 13 unique cookie designs. So different packs will be having different embossments. The first thing that catches my attention is the packaging. As you see on the screen, it has a beautiful purple theme that immediately stands out from the rest of the products. The design feels modern, attractive and premium. Even before opening the pack, it gives a feeling that this is something special and not just another regular Oreo. Packaging gets a perfect 5 out of 5 because it looks premium and eye-catching. Let's open it and see what's inside. So what do you think? Have you already tried the BTS Purple Oreo or are you planning to buy one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As soon as I open the packet, I can smell a pleasant sweet aroma. It is not a strong chocolate smell like the classic Oreo which we are having regularly. Instead, it has a softer, sweeter, dessert-like fragrance. Wow! Look at these cookies. Just wow. This is probably the biggest surprise by Oreo BTS. Instead of the familiar dark chocolate colored Oreo biscuits, these cookies are completely purple in color. Honestly, seeing a purple Oreo for the first time feels quite exciting and the color is rich and vibrant, making these cookies look unique and perfect for our photos or videos. Oops! Also, you can see on the screen, this cookie has beautifully embossed patterns. Instead of the regular Oreo design, these cookies feature special BTS themed embossments. If you collect different packs, you might even find different designs, making this edition even more fun for BTS fans and collectors. One I got is Our Universe BTS Army. Let's take one cookie for a closer look and here it is. Now let's talk about who should buy this. If you are a BTS fan, I think this cookie is almost a must try. The purple color, the themed packaging and the special biscuit designs make it feel like more than just a snack. Let's open the cookie and check the cream filling. I actually expected a purple cream inside, but instead Oreo has used two different cream colors. As you see on the screen, one side is white while the other is brown sugar colored. The reason is that this special edition is inspired by a popular Korean dessert, Hotteok, which is a sweet pancake filled with brown sugar syrup. That's why the cream focuses on delivering warm brown sugar flavor instead of matching the purple biscuit. Time for the taste test. It is so crunchy and crispy. The first thing I notice is the classic Oreo crispiness. The biscuit is fresh, crunchy and has that satisfying snap that Oreo is known for. As I continue chewing, the cream slowly melts and that's where the flavor really starts to shine. I can clearly taste rich brown sugar notes along with a mild caramel flavor. Now let's compare it with the original Oreo. So the classic Oreo is famous for its rich cocoa flavor and vanilla cream. This BTS edition, however, offers a completely different experience. The focus here is not intense chocolate. Instead, it's about a warm dessert-inspired flavor with beautiful presentation and a unique collectible design. So if you are expecting the traditional Oreo taste, you might be surprised. But if you enjoy trying new flavors and limited edition snacks, this one definitely offers something different. If you are an Oreo fan who enjoys collecting limited editions, this is also worth adding to your collection. And even if you are simply someone who loves trying new biscuits and chocolates, this Oreo offers a fun and unique tasting experience. Now it's time for my final ratings. Taste gets 4.5 out of 5. Those purple cookies are simply beautiful. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more chocolate reviews, biscuit reviews and snacks, unboxing and delicious food content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.